The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. With the announcement of some major XRPL deals and some intriguing developments with another major partner in the field, we are getting closer to witnessing the full operation of the XRPL Ripple. Well, would you believe it? In this video, I provided everything you need. So, please subscribe and like the video. So that I don't sound like I'm saying it again, XRP's big utility, XRPL, is going to be the reason the coin will be so successful in the near future. Getting the SEC stuff out of the way, I'll give you the date at the end of the video, so be sure to watch until the end. Will obviously pave the way for XRPL to be built out, integrated into financial systems, and eventually used by the masses as a cross-border payment system. But there's still a long way to go in terms of development before we reach that point. I've gone into great detail regarding EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine sidechain that was built on XRPL. This allows it to integrate with numerous cross-chain token transfers and, more importantly, opens the door for various communities, projects, banking systems, etc., to all use XRPL as their central exchange and hub. Finally, XRPL has the capability to program smart contracts. Tell me what this means. Xilla network integration for cross-chain token transfers and newly programmed smart contracts automate the steps needed for a blockchain transaction are all part of the new development. In the end, this enables and provides functionality that go beyond simple transactions, like the ability to issue tokens, conduct trades, and build decentralized exchanges and financial apps. The company's ambitions to enter that financial industry and receive backing make this a major development. Remember that XRPL is unique among chains because of the buyback refund option. While Ripple acknowledged that the XRPL EVM side chain's capacity to use Axel as a bridge allowed for frictionless transactions with the XRP ledger and more than 55 other blockchains, they also emphasized that this was the side chain's most important feature. It's fantastic news for the banking sector and for the ability for people like you and me to use XRP. In the end, we are aware that it will be accompanied by a considerable increase. In my view, this is a major development that demonstrates Ripple's continued expansion and solidifies XRPL's position as one of the leading blockchains, directly tied to the XRP token. Consequently, this must be excellent news. Also, Futureverse is a major partner of ours, so keep that in mind. Look at what's happening with some of the collaborations now, to think about how the XRPL is going to operate well. Once again, there is the financial banking partners on the one hand, and the primary usefulness in attracting users to the network on the other. Meanwhile, Alada's vehicle blockchain offers customers a controlled way to access decentralized money, according to SES. Once again, the focus here is on Ripple custody, which will allow Futureverse to safely receive and store its digital assets, including its self-delivered auto blockchain and any coins they issue, all of which will be connected back into XRPL DEX. This is fantastic news because, with such enormous potential for expansion, there must be institutional grid custody solutions that are safe, compliant, and reliable. As far as Ripple exports and Futureverse are concerned, why wouldn't they use the XRPL NFT standard? Clearly, this is excellent news. Crypto acceptance fueled by long-term user growth, with XRPL providing more support. Personally, I see this as a trend toward improvement that will, more significantly, attract more members to the network. Now, this is the date that everyone has been messaging me about, and I've been asked about it a lot. The settlement is due when? Can you tell me when the SEC plans to finish working on Ripple? I currently have a date in mind for you. The 8th of August is upon us. Anyone holding XRP who was set on that date should have no qualms about it. Annalisa Torres made that ruling. Many people have begun canceling their plans in anticipation of the 120 million mark. It's worth noting that the agreement stipulates a 30-day payment period, which, when you put it that way, starts on August 8th and continues all the way to September 7th. The completion of this task is imminent. In fact, it is scheduled for this coming Saturday. The payment is expected to be made the day prior, on September 6th. Everything is now in order, and this may mark a major turning point for XRP and the current situation. The market was the topic of my most recent video. $1 trillion plundered from the stock market when Bitcoin took a major tumble. While Bitcoin appears to be bearing the brunt of the current market conditions, as we witness closing in the US markets and possible opening in Shenzhen and a few others, XRP is displaying resilience within this trade pattern. It would be encouraging to see XRP's performance hold up against some of the moving averages, as we have seen losses in a number of altcoins. Additionally, the fact that XRP is only 1.18% down on the day RSI divergence suggests that it is just slightly more bullish, or bearish, than bullish. We will monitor that every day. However, the upward trend persists. Take a peek at this 50-day moving average. Ripple is looking good. The world could use more upbeat news. It would be great if Bitcoin could reach $58,000, but when that happens is another matter entirely. For now, I'm crossing my fingers that XRP can weather the storm. In anticipation of the Federal Reserve's rate cuts on September 18th, we would want to see it rise above the 50-day simple moving average again. Seeing my video is an honor. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.